welcome back to our channel. So ayoko sana mag-vlog today guys, pero gusto kong may chika tayo at gusto kong ipapakita sa inyo kung ano yung nabili natin for today at magkano na naman ang nabudol natin for today's video. Alright, Leo, why are you here? So gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo guys yung ano natin at mabili natin for today. Leo, come on, leave here, leave. I'm doing a haul. So this is a shopping haul. So meron tayong Almudish na ano, tea milk or pang tea. Pwede din siyang parang carnation, evap, ganon. Pwede yan siya guys. Ano to guys Leo. Sinsya na kayo, si Leo talaga. So ito, mga 400 by isa 300, but now down to 160 by isa. So malaki yung natipid natin dyan. And of course, I have a glutinous rice. Meron din tayong, ito naka-clearance sales din siya. Ito. Hi, Leo! Sinsya na kayo, si Leo talaga Ayan, sliced pineapple in a light syrup. So, meron tayong ganyan. Bumili ako ng, actually guys, this is 400 by isa, but now it's on clearance sale. So, it is now a 200 by isa. So, I got 2. And also, sesame oil. Baka we need sesame oil, guys, for some reason. I just bought it. Kasi ang amoy nito, sobrang ganda ng amoy nito, guys. Sandali lang guys, mag-ano muna tayo, mag-charge. Oh, Leo. Mag-haul si Mama Leo. So, yun. Hindi pala tayo tapos guys. So, meron pa tayo. Another one is the strawberry frozen. Kasi kailangan natin to pag gusto natin uminom ng malamig na juice. Yan. And of course, I have a kamote. Guys. Kamote na galing to ng Egypt guys. Masarap. Hindi masarap to. Hindi siya masyadong Leo. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. At saka malata siya. Ayan. So, kailangan siya i-steam lang. Ganito yung uri ng ano ito. Tsaka orange. So, bumili tayo ng magkano ba to? 600 or 70 pesos guys na, no, not 70. Yeah, 70 plus na kamote. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung kilo sa Pilipinas. If you know the kilo of potatoes, just comment down below kung magkano. And I have 2 pieces of garlic kasi ako lang naman mag-isa guys. And then I have 3 apple para sa ating juice. Meron naman tayong lemon dyan. And of course, ang ating tawag dito, napakamurang sibuyas. So yun lang naman guys ang ano natin. And then the total is magkano? 6 real or oh my god, 800 plus lahat ng to. Then last time before this I bought like 4 reals and now 8 reals. So within a week I already spent like for grocery, because in the morning also I went in the shop and I spent 1 real. So I think this week guys I already lost like 2,000 pesos. Can you imagine that? If you think talaga or you convert the money here to Philippines, it's like a huge money already that I spent. But what to do? This is life talaga guys na kailangan nating harapin. So if you are an OFW like me, you have to know your budget. Anyway, I'm trying to have a budgeting really. Like before, I remember like how many years back, kasi mura pa dati guys, I just spent 20 reals for my expenses, like for food. Alright, if hindi siya kasya with everything na yun guys ha, with the necessity like shampoo and everything, I spent 20 reals together with the food. And kung magkulang man yan guys, it runs 30 reals or 4,000. Yun lang talaga yung budget ko a month for food. But nowadays, because it's too expensive and we are in 2024, so my budget now runs 50 reals more kasi sobrang mahal na talaga niya. And then another 20 reals for Leo. So I spent 50 plus 20, it's 70 reals, around 10,000 pesos a month. Yun yung budget ko for food for Leo. Yun. But wala pa, hindi pa siya kasama yung mga pinang-shopping natin. So if I choose to go shop or eating dinner outside, it's another expenses. That 70 reals is just a cost of food with me, for me and for Leo. So can you imagine that? 10,000 for a single person. More than 10,000 guys. So, natakot ako. So hindi lang naman ako may ganitong sitwasyon. I think most of the OFW can relate me. Kasi hindi nga ako ma-shopping guys eh. I never go for shopping. Even shoes, hindi ako pala ganun ba. What more kung mahilig ako sa shoes, mahilig ako sa mga bagay-bagay, siguro talaga matira ng sweldo natin. So I spend 70 reals maximum yun sa food. Wala doon yung pang shopping. Kung mag-shopping man ako, let's say 30 reals. Pero hindi siya every month. Okay? So sometimes I go travel outside Muscat as well. So it's expensive. Like sa paglabas mo lang talaga, pinakamababa na yung 2,000 na ma-spend mo. Pinakabababa na yun guys ha. But I spend more than that. When you just go to travel, it's like, oh my god, you just making tapon the pera. Oh my god. But that's alright as long as we have still, but as long as we have still a source of income, so it's okay. You gastos now and you work hard later, so that's fine. It's just a, what do you call this one, budgeting matters. Kailangan mo lang talagang i-budget na may konti kang ipon, because this month already what I did is to cut everything, especially savings. I cut right after when my salary come. I cut right after my savings. Even I save 5,000 a month, 2,000 a month. It doesn't matter as long as I did save. It doesn't matter kung gaano ka small amount yung na-save mo guys, as long as you're saving every month. So yun yung tips and payo ko sa inyo, kasi we don't know. We really don't know until when we stay here. It's not our place. And of course, you guys, where you are right now, it's not your place. So I recommend every one of you to save a little bit of money. Cut mo ka agad, basta may ano ka, may sweldo ka, cut mo ka na agad kahit wala kang matira dito. At least meron kang saving in the Philippines, kahit konti lang, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, as long as you have savings. Alright, so this is what I did when my salary comes. So I just cut everything for my mother, for my bills, for food, for shopping. Meron na silang ma-designated amount para doon. So pagdating na wala ang pera, natapos na yung, naubos na yung pera ko para sa doon na bagay, so I have to wait for another salary. So, yun yung mga ginagawa ko sa buhay, guys. Sana ganun din yung gagawin nyo. Hindi ako mayaman. Like, how many years now? Going back, how many storyline na tayo, guys, ha? Going back, guys, hindi ako mayaman. I spend a lot of time working abroad, like more than 10 years. But, I never had that savings much. Alright? Kasi, meron tayong obligasyon sa pamilya natin. Though, I have spent a lot of money like sa farm ko. So, yun yung dun yung kinain yung pera ko. And also, guys, I spend time for myself like travel. Alright? Yun yung mga luxury na napapagastos ako ng bongga. Hindi masama yun, guys, ha? As I said, hindi masama maggastos as long as you work and then you play the money a little bit, but also don't forget for savings. Like I said, you can save 1,000 a month. After 1 year, you got 12,000. Nobody will give you 12,000, guys. That 12,000 is a huge money already. Alright? So, kung nakapagtrabaho ka ng isang taon, meron kang 12,000. 2 years, meron kang 24,000. 10 years, magkano na yung savings mo sa 1,000 lang? Right? So, hindi ako nag-iipon ng ganyan dati. So, kaya ko to sinasabi sa'yo because it's very important to save. May savings naman ako dati, guys, pero naubos siya. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung bakit, pero naubos siya kasi kailangan kong, para sa Pilipinas yun sa nanay ko. So, naubos yung savings natin. So, that's alright. We still alive. We can still make money. Yun ang importante. Pero, guys, please, savings. Alright? So, yun lang. Dami kong satsat, diba? Ay! Wala naman akong gagawin, guys, today. Gusto ko lang naman makipag-storyline sa inyo. And everything is well. And also, Leo is here, my sweetie pie. You are my sweetie pie. You are my sweetie pie. The one who is eating my money also is this cat. He likes eating. He likes expensive food. So, wag kayong magkaroon ng cat kasi they are very expensive. Right? Isa din to sa namumulubi ako. Isa din to dahilan kung bakit namumulubi ako, guys. Kaya wag kayong mag-alaga ng pusa. Kasi masyado itong mahal. At saka, kung love mo sila, hindi mo sila kayang pakawalan. So, tiisan to. Tiisan talaga to. Walang pira ko. Walang pira talaga. So, yun lang, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Sana may natutunan kayo sa mga kwento natin for today's video, guys. What? Anong natutunan niyo? Gusto niya akong paakin, guys. So, guys, thank you for watching. Bye! Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching. Bye.